There you go. Hi everyone, welcome to Kimber Creations. As you can see, this is obviously not a crafting video, but I'm here at my parents' home and wanted to show you this bird feeder that I made my dad at Christmas. I've been wanting so many times to show you what I made him. We always do a homemade Christmas, and I picked his name this year in our drawing, and this is what I come up with. And as you can see, it's a chicken feeder in a mason jar, and there's one of our old chicken lights, and then on the bottom was an old pan, and this is where he feeds some of his birdies. And you lost your top. So anyway, what happened to your top? Oh, hold on a second. Let's see if I can get in here. This, it's all rusted now, but anyway, that went on the top of it. It's lost its glue. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.